Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about i- startup issue, problem and challenges. If you start a business, you have facing issues, problem and challenges. Here are some problems India is facing. Ideas for new startups. In the end, every startup is different, but in the beginning, every startup is the same. India has emerged as one of the fastest growing startup ecosystem in the world, with the country witnessing a massive surge in the number of startups over the past few years. However, the Indian startup ecosystem still faces several challenges, issues, and problems that need to be addressed in order to sustain its growth momentum. First one, access to funding. Access to funding, despite the growth in the number of startups, access to funding continues to be a major challenges for many Indian startups. Will venture capital investment in India have increased significantly over the past few years. The majority of this funding is concentrated in a few sectors such as e-commerce, fintech, and healthcare. Many startups in other sectors such as agriculture, education, and manufacturing struggles to secure funding. Talent shortage. The Indian startup ecosystem is facing a several talent shortage, particularly in the areas of engineering and product development. While there are a large number of engineering graduates in India, most of them lack the skills and expertise required by startups. The shortage of talent is further aggravated by the intense competition for skilled professionals, which has led to a significant increase in salaries and benefits offered by startups. Regulatory challenges. Indian startups face a complex regulatory environment with a maze of laws, rules, and regulations that are often difficult to navigate. The lack of a unified regulatory framework for startup, coupled with the slow pace of regulatory reforms, makes it difficult for startups to operate and grow. Infrastructure challenges. Indian startups face a range of infrastructure challenges, including inadequate access to high speed internet, poor logistics and transportation infrastructure, and unreliable power supply. These challenges make it difficult for startups to operate in efficiently and scale up their operations. Lack of mentorship. Many Indian startups lacks access to mentorship and guidance, particularly from experienced entrepreneurs and investors. This is particularly true for startup in smaller cities and towns where the startup ecosystem is still nascent. Cultural barriers. Indian society still places a strong emphasis on traditional career paths such as medicine, engineering, and government jobs. The cultural bias against entrepreneurship can be a significant challenges for aspiring entrepreneurs who often face pressure from their families to pursue more traditional career paths. Competition from foreign companies. Indian startups face intense competition from foreign companies, particularly those from the United States and China. These companies have deep pockets and extensive resources, which allow them to outspeed and outcompete Indian startups. Management. How to manage your business. As the business start to take shapes, it requires every bit of awareness to sustain the flow. As discussed above, these are few challenges that the new startups face in India. If problem exists, then solution is also available at the same time. to overcome such challenges. Understanding about the products. Numerous times the startup become unsuccessful in understanding the response of customers about the product in which they deals. It must be refined as per the needs of the customers. Sometimes startup accept the needs of customers but fails to realize the actual demands of product. It becomes uh, important for them to survey accordingly, handles the situations and meets the customer expectation so that they can capture the market and appreciate in good terms. Proper preparation with timelines. Mostly startup fails in first 3 years due to lack of proper planning. In the beginning, when a startup operates, the cost of running the organization is comparatively low, but when as it starts grow, it is hypothetical increase the cost of running as well as startup beginning to provide heavy discounts in the beginning that can make whole business echoing from inside. Thank you.